Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to enter in your coupon code using the Target app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to open up Target on my phone, and for this demonstration I've already put something in my basket. So what you want to do is just find products that you'd like to add to your basket, and then once you've done that, click onto your basket. So I've already put in this fleece dressing gown. So from here I want to scroll down, make sure everything looks good, and then click on continue to checkout. And now from here you can log in or continue as a guest. I'm just going to continue as a guest for this demonstration. And now I'm going to choose delivery. So you got a few different options, it doesn't matter which one you use. So for this one here I'm just going to do click and collect. I'm going to get out of OnePass. I'm going to use this other click and collect, sorry, because I don't want OnePass. Choose your store, so I'm going to choose Target Bunbury for this demonstration. Scroll down, confirm the store. Scroll down again, you need to fill out your contact details if you doing this as a guest. So I'm going to fill this out, pause this video and I'll get back to you. Now once you've done that, you want to click on save and continue. Alright, so let's go through the deliveries. Yep, this looks all good. And now if we scroll down under item details and order summary, you've got promo code. So this is where you put in your promo or discount code. Click into it, add the promo code, and if you've got a team member card, put in your team member card here as well. And also if you collect Flybuys, put in your Flybuys here to collect those Flybuy points. Then once you're done, click on close and then choose your payment method. So you got gift card, credit card, PayPal, Zip and Afterpay, and just continue on with the purchase, and that promo discount code will be added to your order.